some gold for some new candy flavours.
I need gold for Professor Funling's potion.
I love my crown. I need some gold for more crowns.
Oh, I'm nervous about this train ride. All aboard the Funling Express.
Wait! I was trying to find some gold. And now I can relax. Whoa! That was close. Whoa! Is everybody okay? I'll go fix the train. Where's my gold? It was in here. Somebody has taken it. Somebody on this train has taken the gold. And you all wanted the gold. King Funling wants more crowns. Rascal Funling likes taking gold. Candy needs gold for candy. Explorer always wants gold. Robot Funling needs gold for potions. And the Pirate Funlings always take gold. But the Pirate Funlings didn't know about the gold. Yeah, we had no idea. So who took the gold? I think it was Rascal Funling. He knows Ultron well.
It wasn't me. Why isn't it King Funling?
Well, it wasn't me. I'm hungry. Does anybody have food? Uh-oh.
Whoa! I'll catch you.
Phew. Ah, yes. It wasn't Rascal Funling. He helped me.
See?
Well, Candy Funling wouldn't take gold. Whoever took the gold could see in the dark. Don't you have night vision, Robot Funling?
Yes, I can see in the dark.
So, let's see your memories.
Memories not found.
Well, that is odd. But what's under the chair? It's a drink.
Now I remember.
Wow!
The drink spilt over me.
So who took the gold? Fix the train. We should arrive at the museum soon. What's in your pocket, Fix-It Funling? Wow! It's gold! That's my gold! I don't know how it got in there. You should join our crew, Fix-It Funling. It's not Fix-It Funling.
We have arrived at the museum.
Explorer Funling took the gold. Huh? So how did you take it? You got me. I'm used to dark caves, so I could see. I quickly took the gold. Then put it in Fix-It Funling's pocket so I could grab it later. Well, you shouldn't take anything that isn't yours. Thanks for getting my gold back, Detective. That's okay. The train mystery has been solved.